See You at the Pole is a movement of fellowship to gather people for prayer, worship, and experience unity on their campus.
I think the students benefit because it's another outlet for them to, have certain, thoughts or, ideas, or maybe they have an issue going on and they don't know they don't have an outlet for it. And prayer is an outlet that we teach them, that we show them that if you pray to God, the answers will come. They don't come immediately, but if you're patient, the answers to your questions and your worries or your doubts, they do come.
See You at the Pole is an experience for everyone. We encourage you to bring the whole family to encounter prayer, music, and a great message that will be shared with us.
At this event, I would really love to have fellowship with other students, because there's so many kids that walk around in the hallways and we don't know what they're going through. They don't know what we're going through. So I think it'd be really important that we plant a seed of love in their hearts and let them know that we do have Hawks for Christ here at school, and just let them know that it's okay to reach out to us because we're here for them.
Reporting for Inside HCISD, I'm Anna Cantu.